Welcome back. In the last video I taught you how to set up Python. Today we are going to extend our Python knowledge and create a proper application. Anything that you type with a hashtag before it is a comment. This will not be read by the compiler and is a way of explaining your code. First things first, we will create a variable. A variable is a container that holds a specific value. In this example, we will create a variable and call it name. By typing name equals input, we are telling the computer to put whatever value we type into the name variable. To test our code, we will tell the computer to print the variable with the print command. As you can see, the code is working perfectly. Whatever we type, the script will print after it. Now let's try to give our app more functionality. This is an if statement. They are good for comparing variables. When using an if statement and checking what variables contain, always use two equal signs. Add a colon at the end and make sure to indent the following code. The indented code will only be run if the name variable equals user. We can use an else statement in order to take care of anything else that does not equal user. Code that is indented under here will be run when name does not equal user. Now let's check our code. Great, that is all fine. But what if the user gets their username wrong? They will need to rerun the program. To stop this, let's expand our code further with a while loop. At the top we need to create a new variable called login. This is a special variable called a boolean. A boolean can only hold either two things, true or false. To begin with, we will set it to false, because the user is not yet logged in. Next we will start the while loop, code that is indented and below this will run repeatedly until login is true. We must move our if statement to inside our while loop. We must also add a line of code to the if name equals user branch, which will set logged in to true. Lastly, we must move the first line of code to inside the while loop. Let's run our code. If you get an error, make sure that all of the true or falses begin with a capital letter. Now let's secure our app even more by asking the user for a password. Try and guess the code for this. I will reveal the correct version in 30 seconds. Here is the correct code. Did you get it right? As you can see, everything is working perfectly. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and turn on post notifications to be notified when I post the next episode.